Well, the big news that the rumor mill is saying that another person's going to flip on Trump in the Fani Willis Fulton, Georgia case. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but I will tell you that legal opinion, I found one that is turning against her on all these flippers, saying that they don't mean anything that's good news for Trump. We're going to read this thing together. I'm Doug in Exile. Thank you guys for watching. This is where the happy people are. Let's go. Don't let the guilty pleas in Trump indictment in Georgia fool you. Sweetheart deals undermine the seriousness of the prosecutor's case. Whatever one thinks of Donald Trump, no one should assume that the recent plea arguments and the criminal indictment filed by Fani Willis, District Attorney, Fulton County, Georgia, or the public apology she demanded legitimize the claims made against the former president and the other defendants. This includes the lawyers indicted for doing what they're ethically obliged to do, which is represent to the best of their abilities the interests of their client and shake down really sweet plea deals. In fact, the plea deals show the weakness of Miss Willis's case. That's an argument that I've been making now for weeks. They were sweetheart deals, particularly impossible to resist. The defendants were facing hundreds of thousands of dollars in attorney fees to defend themselves before what would almost surely be a politically biased jury and a partisan prosecutor who has filed charges attempting to criminalize perfectly lawful activities, such as Mr. Trump's nationally televised speech claiming that he had won the 2020 election. That's in Act 1 of the indictment. This prosecutor is engaging in a profound assault on the democratic process and the rule of law, misusing a law intended to going after mobsters and drug cartels, the Georgia Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organization Act, against individuals who were questioning the outcome of an election, something they had a constitutional right to do, whether they were right or wrong. And now, here's the thing where they racked up all of these accusations in order to get them to accept these plea deals. Consider the seriousness of the charges that Ms. Willis brought against the defendants. She alleges violations of 41 provisions of various criminal statutes, one felony after another. And remember, though they're guilty, they all pleaded and she lets them go. You know, you don't let someone say who commits murder 50 times to go free. So it just proves these things were all non-crimes and not dangerous. These include false statements and writings, impersonation of a public officer, forgery, filing false documents, influencing witnesses, computer theft, computer trespass, computer invasion of privacy, conspiracy to defraud the state, acts involving theft, and perjury. Charges that could land various defendants in prison for the rest of their lives, but she dropped them all because they didn't really mean it, because they only made it up to get Trump tied up during the campaign. They knew these 18 defendants were all innocent. And now I hope that political theory is getting out with your help, spreading this link around for this show to your friends. Let's get the truth out that this whole thing is one giant witch hunt. I'm Doug in Exile.